bili mo nga ako doon ng Yossi.
Pa, pwede mo maya muna? Nag-aaral po kasi ako eh.
At uunahin mo pa talaga to. Ito pinagmamalaki mo? Ha? Walang kwenta, walang kang kwentang anak. Inuutusan kita, ayaw mo sumunod, ha?
Game ka ba? Sige na please, tara na.
Ayoko, love, ayoko.
Ayaw mo? Ayaw mo ba talaga?
Ayoko sa...
The video presented is an act of violence against women and their children, or what we know as the BAUSI. It refers to the action by a person that is likely to result in physical, sexual, psychological harms and sufferings to the women and their children. This can occur in different settings. This can happen within or outside the home. It can also be happen in a relationship, whether you're married, dating, or living partner. This is the relevant issue of this country. The Philippine government provides law that could lessen the cases. It is the Republic Act number 9262 or the Anti-Violence Against Women and the Children Act of 2004. In this law, we're going to discuss the violence and the following penalties of this. So let's discuss about this violence. First, the physical violence. This includes the bodily or physical harm. Second, the sexual violence that can be cause of rape, sexual harassment, threatening a woman as a sex object. We also have the psychological violence. This involves the emotional abuse, threats, intimidation, and humiliation. And lastly, the economic abuse, wherein the perpetrators are withholding financial support, controlling money, and depriving the woman or her children for economic resources. And the penalties could also occur. First is the perpetrator's imprisonment. It is where the perpetrators could be imprisoned depending on the severity of the offenses. Second, the perpetrator should pay the fines. It is where he or she compensates towards the victim. However, there are protection available for the victims. First is the Barangay Protection Order or the BPO. It can be issued within 24 hours by the barangay official. Second, the Temporary Protection Order or the TPO. It can be issued by the court, valid for 30 days. And lastly, the Permanent Protection Order or the PPO. It is issued after a court hearing and a long-term protection.